next, if you want to say something or ask something, if not, I will ask you. Yes, Ranjana wants to say something. Okay, Ranjana, say.
So every Durga Puja, everybody wants to celebrate in a, they will just do the pandal hopping. They will go for traveling, and so any idea can you give me that way I can make, or we can make this Durga Puja in a different way? We can celebrate this Durga Puja in a different way. There will be any idea? Can anybody share their views on any idea which make this year celebrations in a different, apart from pandal hopping, apart from traveling any other places, apart from these two options?
Okay, fine. Okay, so this is a good question, that any new idea that if you can give for celebrating the festival. Yes, Shomita wants to speak. Okay.
Yes, yes. Actually, in a pandal, you can sit with your friends and chit chat. You can chit chat about like puja pandals, and also dress, food, and also the Sondharoti. This kind of whatever actually we celebrate in Durga Puja, we can actually discuss. And also fashion dress in Durga Puja every year. There are so many new collections we all actually bought. We all buy. So this kind of thing.
Yes, very good, very good. Shomita has given one idea, that is mainly discussion, chatting, and spending time in one pandal, observing the puja and participating in all types of chit chat. Okay, I think what we can do is, people who are deprived of several things in life. Deprived মানে বঞ্চিত, অনেক কিছু যাদের নেই, মেবি education, maybe food, lot of hardships are there in life. Life is tough, we all know that. So people who are deprived, and if you can choose to spend one day with them, maybe you can go to an orphanage and celebrate with them, buy some clothes for them, party with them, or take them with you for pandal hopping, or a family who is in deep trouble, if you can help that person in any which way. Because if you can help someone with your heart wholeheartedly, when you're helping somebody, the blessings that you get is immense. It is একটা ওয়ার্ড বলো তো, vocab, যেটা আমাদের নিউ আমরা শিখেছি, inestimable, estimate করা যাবে না, এত গ্রেট। Imagine you are in a problem. Just imagine yourself. Okay, lecture না, let's make it real. তো ধরো তোমরা একটা গড ফরবিড প্রবলেমে আছো, আর কেউ তোমার প্রবলেমটা সলভ করে দিল, হেল্প করলো। How do you feel? Don't you feel really grateful? Don't you feel like blessing that person? কি ভাই তোমার ভালো হোক, তোমার জন্য আমার এত উপকার হলো, মন থেকে ওই যে ব্লেসিংটা আসে না, that comes naturally. That is like, I have no words to describe that, the beauty of that feeling. So that can be a great way of celebrating the festival and getting a lot of love from people and blessings from people. So yes, পুণ্য কামানো একরকম, মানে এটা বিশাল একটা, বিকজ মন থেকে আসে, লোক যখন উপকার পায়, সেই যে ব্লেসিংটা হিউজ।
Yes, ma'am. Last year I have visited to one village in near Jaipur Amta. One day we spent with them, as I shared this incident with you all. And another thing we can do, as the environment, deforestations are happening in our surroundings, so many organizations are there. They are taking the responsibility and start the afforestation. So we can spend or we can involve in that work, and we can contribute a very little in that work during Durga Puja also. We can some of the deprived and the starving people who are around us, we can feed them for one day Durga Puja bhog, and that we can arrange for them. And Pralay is belonging for the medical department, and he will be our next gen doctor, and obviously, and it will be it is our best wishes for him, and he and his friends and his peers can arrange one medical camp for one day for those starving people. So there are a lot of way we can contribute a very little. We can
Absolutely. Yes.
So this is the idea.
Yes, it's a great thing to do. And you know what? For helping people, you don't need a lot of money. If you want to do something like little, even if you can say, give a smile to someone, give a genuine compliment to somebody, make somebody feel better, this is also charity. Of course, giving food, giving clothing, and all that is there, but even a smile, are you understanding? A good compliment, real from the bottom of your heart, is also a charity, is also like giving. The bottom line is making someone smile, bringing a gleeful smile on people's face can be worth doing this pujo. So Tawfiq Kaur was facing some internet trouble issues. The question we are discussing right now is, how can you make the Durga Puja different? Apart from pandal hopping and traveling out of the state, what can you do to make it exciting? So we were just sharing that you can do something good for people, whatever you can, and if you can help somebody, the blessings that you will get has no measure. It is inestimable. Mane mapai jabe na. It's huge. Atoda hoyeche. So let's see any other new idea that you want to share with us. Shomita has shared one idea of spending time in one pandal and chit-chatting, enjoying the pujo vibe. Okay, and I have shared one. Anybody with any new point? I think Mrs. Patra, has a new point. Okay, think about it. It's a good question. Yes.
I am telling about the medicine, because nowadays the cost of medicine is too much high, and general public, they are unable to buy the medicine properly. If in which places the puja is the puja is
organized.
The puja is organized. If, searching in this area that type of people and who can't buy the so much medicine, if help them by giving them the medicine, it would be better.
Correct, but this point has been discussed, as Ranjana told that Pralay and all his colleagues can do this type of work. Good point, but discussed. Anything new?
I think we can promote eco-friendly celebrations as well, using biodegradable, not minimizing the waste as well. So that is, I think, will be in a healthier way we can celebrate also.
Yes, absolutely. Fabulous point that promoting eco-friendly pandals and thinking about the environment and nature, that's a great point. Okay, and it's a new point.
You can do the pet-friendly pandal. You can be pet-friendly pandal hopping. That was happened in the last previous year, and I got inspired. The pets who have already actually have the right to obviously hoping enjoy the celebration and celebrating the biggest celebration, so they can also part of this. And
Yes, be a
we
part
can,
of this festival. Correct.
yes, and we can spend the time with our stray indies and this all strays and all the animal loving. We can,
Correct. New point there. Okay. I have a point that is you can go to a temple or a pandal where there is absolutely less crowd, zero crowd almost, where the ambience is very peaceful. You can spend some alone time there, evaluating yourself, your life, okay? Spending time with Maa Durga, with the god, okay? Because constantly we are surrounded with people. There is this, you need to sometimes just cut off and be alone so that you can assess yourself, evaluate yourself, and try and be the best version of yourself. That's only possible if you can spend separate alone time. And why not do it in front of Maa Durga so that you get that power and you can talk to the Almighty and spend some quality time with God? Because sometimes what happens during Durga Puja, the enjoyment becomes a priority and devotion takes a backseat. Right? এনজয়মেন্টটা মেন হয়ে যায়, জামা কিনবো, খাবো, এই করবো, সেই করবো, you know. So enjoyment takes the front seat, devotion takes the back seat. So why don't you change that? Why don't you bring the devotion in front and enjoyment back? Correct? So this can be something new. Anything else? Okay, I think we have gotten enough new ideas, and there can be many more ideas. If you think, you'll get new ideas. All right. That's it, class. Let's wrap up this discussion here now.